So the first way to make $1,000 a day with ChatGPT is actually affiliate marketing. The first thing that you're going to want to do is find a website or a product that has an amazing affiliate marketing commission. Now, I love Jasper, and in fact, I have a whole list of these useful websites in another video if you're more interested in affiliate marketing. But if you scroll down here and then you click on affiliate partners, you'll actually see that you can get up to 30, well, it's not even up to, it is 30% recurring commission for life. So it's a really simple process. All you need to do is apply to be a partner, go through their onboarding form, and just sign up. Now we're going to come back to this, so stick with me here. Then you want to come over to ChatGPT and bear with me here. These are the best prompts that you're going to want to type in here. So first you want to start by saying, be a YouTuber. This is one of the best entry prompts because it's going to tell it, it's going to frame the mindset of ChatGPT to present better data for you based on what you want to do. So be a YouTuber, write me 10 viral titles about Jasper AI or whatever product or service you're an affiliate for. And so what it's going to do is it's going to start by outlining you different titles and topics around this affiliate marketing tool. But check this out. Now that you have all of these titles, the next thing you want to do is tell it to be a TikToker and write you a 45-second script for TikTok on each of these topics. Now, this is very important because we're going to leverage the most powerful format of content that's so powerful right now. Short form vertical videos. You're going to be able to take these and post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, you name it.
And if you think that's easy, just wait until you see the next strategy.
And so then what you can do is you can take those video scripts that we have generated from ChatGPT here, and you can take them over to this website, Pictory.ai, and we can actually use AI to make videos for us with those scripts. Watch this. So as soon as you're logged into Pictory, which is a free account, by the way, you can just do this first script to video generator here. You just click on proceed. So what you can do is start by taking the title of the video over here to Pictory. We can paste that in here, and then we can literally just copy this script that it generated us here, paste that in here, then click proceed. And you can choose any one of these templates here. If you want to do something like this, you can choose the format. So that's where it's important here. We want to do 9:16. We're creating content for shorts. And in seconds, it literally creates this video using that script that we generated, right? So we can take these videos now that are designed for short form vertical video. We can generate this. We can, first of all, we can customize this if we want.
And so now that you have those videos, what you want to do is upload them all to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. This is going to get you to go viral over and over again on topics that you are an affiliate for. Now, with your affiliate link that you got from signing up as a partner, you're going to paste that in the description of your videos as well as in your bio on all of those platforms. People are going to watch your videos, they're going to click on that link, they're going to sign up, you get a recurring commission, and ultimately you can make way more than $1,000 a day. Now, this next strategy is taking AI video to the next level, and it might actually piss some people off, but I don't care because I just want you to succeed.
I'm talking about video courses, and we're going to use ChatGPT and AI to completely automate video courses so that you can make money. So the first thing, we want to find the top trending courses in different industries. So come over to udemy.com, and then we can scroll down here. We can look at the top categories. I'm a marketer, so I'm going to start looking at marketing here. And it's going to show you a bunch of courses here. But what we can actually do is we can look at trending, right? Twitter for business. So we can choose any of these are all the top trending courses right now. And okay, let's roll with Twitter for business. This has gotten 737 reviews. That's a lot of reviews. So let's go over to ChatGPT here and let's ask it to write me a course outline for Twitter for Business. And let's prompt it by be a course instructor. And just like magic, it outlines us a complete course for using Twitter for Business. Next, we can build on this and ask ChatGPT to use the above response and generate a detailed script for each lesson.
Now here's where this actually gets crazy.
So we can take the actual video scripts that ChatGPT just generated us for each lesson, and we can come over to this website called synthesia.io or synthesia.io. Forget the best way. But we can use artificial intelligence to generate us video lessons for us with realistic voiceovers using those scripts. Watch. So after you log into Synthesia, you can choose any one of these templates here. I like this one because it's a little bit more modern. And we can just literally begin to start copy and pasting some of this. So we can take our lesson 1, Introduction to Twitter for Business. We can make this our, headline slide there. Move this around a little bit if we want. Introduction for Twitter for Business. You can put in your own logo and all that stuff. But then all you need to do is copy the script here. Paste this down here. It's going to give you an estimated length of how long that video is. And then all you need to do is click on Generate. And it takes about 10 minutes. And just like that, with the power of editing, this video has been completed.
Hello and welcome to our course on Twitter for Business.
Isn't this crazy?
In this lesson, we'll be giving you an overview of Twitter and why it's important for businesses to use it.
So in order to actually make $1,000 a day with this course method, you're going to have to upload that course onto a couple different platforms. Post it on Udemy, post it on Skillshare. If you have a social media audience, you can throw that up on your own platform like Teachable or even ClickFunnels or Kajabi or any of these other platforms out there. Drive traffic to all of these platforms. Once you start to get reviews on the platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, you're going to get tons of sales on these courses. And it could actually get more than $1,000 a day. Now, this one's going to piss off all the YouTube experts and gurus out there, but you can use ChatGPT to pretend to be a YouTube expert and sell those services on freelance platforms.
So you don't have to just use this for YouTube. You could literally use this for any topic whatsoever, but since we're on YouTube and talking about YouTube, let's roll with YouTube SEO. So as you can see, there are tons of jobs on here that are doing everything for YouTube SEO. I will be your YouTube video SEO specialist starting at $30. And you can see here, this guy's premium, $80, gives you 10 keywords and hashtag research, 3 videos optimized, title and description optimized, and meta tag optimization. Guess what? You can get all this information from ChatGPT. Let's go. Back over to ChatGPT, we can tell it to pretend to be a YouTube guru, write me 5 viral YouTube titles for dentists. And I just love some of these that it's coming up with. The most shocking before and after dental transformations you've ever seen. And these are pretty darn good titles here, right? Watch this terrifying cavity get filled in real time.
Ugh, cavity creeps. Ugh.
And then you can take it to the next level by saying, write a YouTube SEO description for each of the above titles. And then you can continue to optimize and ask it to give you the best YouTube tags for each of the above videos. And so literally all you need to do is enter ChatGPT and type in those 3 prompts for whatever client that you get for whatever industry, right? And you're doing the same thing as this Fiverr gig. But let's do some math here to show you how crazy this is. Now, if every one of these 828 orders ordered the $80 value here, let's see, 80 times 828, that's $66,240. But let's not even go that far. Let's say everybody ordered the $30 version, which surely that isn't the case. Surely it's somewhere in the middle. But 30 times 828, $24,840 that could be made entirely from ChatGPT.
And if you're really interested in making even more money using artificial intelligence, this next video shows you how to make an additional $100 a day using AI. I'll see you there.